Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how to cook Chinese noodle with pork and vegetables. Noodle in Chinese restaurant, also called Lomein or Chow, is a very popular dish along with Italian spaghetti. Please make sure you stay until the end of this video so you got all the techniques. If you have any question, please leave down the comments below. If you like my video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I already got all the ingredients ready and prepared. The noodle is about 3/7. I already cooked in boiling water until al dente is, you can see, still bouncy, even is soft. I also toast some sesame oil to prevent the noodle get sticky together. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil if you want. You can also use spaghetti noodle instead. For pork, I shredded them, then seasoned with salt, pepper, cornstarch, little bit of water, and marinate for about 10 minutes. I have ginger and chopped scallion. Also, I have all the vegetable, cucumber, carrots, onion, and a type of Japanese or Korean mushroom. Very pretty. So that's all the ingredients you need. Let me show you how to cook them. Let's get started. First, put half cup of oil and bring to high heat. You can see the oil is getting very hot. Now you can see the oil is getting really hot. Then put the marinated pork into the oil. Take about 1 minute. You can see the pork is cooked. If you use the right temperature and the right amount of oil, the pork won't stick together at all. So it takes about a minute. Then take pork out of the oil, set on side. The pork is tender and also very shiny look. Leave about 2 tablespoons oil in the wok and put ginger, all your onion, carrots, once you can smell the fragrance from the onion, add the rest of the vegetable. Add about a teaspoon salt. Look how beautiful the color is. Then add all your meats. Soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, then add all the noodles in. Let the noodle absorb all the juices. Look, Let me taste one piece. Very good. Then I drizzle some cumin powder, about a teaspoon. Drizzle some sesame seed. Then some chopped scallion. If you like spicy, you can add some chili powder. All done. Pretty good. See the color? It's ready. Then serve. How do you think? It's really simple and easy, isn't it? It's also very delicious. Please try at home. If you like my video, please give a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, don't be afraid, just leave in the comment area down below. Thank you for watching.